Welcome to this video on building your first Python AI agent from scratch. No experience needed. Imagine giving an AI a complex goal, like researching tools, summarizing them, and writing a blog post. An AI agent searches, reads, writes, and delivers the final result automatically. If you know basic Python, you have everything to build this today, starting from zero. A regular chatbot works in one shot. Ask a question, get an answer. An AI agent acts like a hired employee, receiving a complex goal, planning steps, and using real-world tools to get the job done. This is powered by the React pattern, short for reasoning and acting, which is the core logic loop for serious agents built today. Our project today is a custom research agent. Its capabilities include accepting a raw topic, autonomously searching the web, reading and summarizing findings, and returning a formatted final report. Once you learn this framework, you can swap out the search tool to build any type of agent. Step 1 is to isolate your workspace. Always start by creating a virtual environment. This acts as a protective bubble for your project, keeping your agent libraries clean and preventing conflicts with other Python projects. Run the activation command for your specific operating system to proceed. Step 2 focuses on dependencies, the agent tech stack. We install LangChain as the core framework, LangChain Anthropic to connect to Claude as our AI brain, and DuckDuckGo Search to browse the web for free. Python.env manages our secret API keys securely. Step 3 is about security, locking down your API keys. Create a .env file in your root folder and paste your Anthropic API key here. Remember, never upload this file to GitHub. Keep your secrets completely local. Step 4 is initializing the core logic, which is the brain. We load environment variables and initialize Claude Sonnet. We set the temperature to 0 for a data research agent to ensure it is strictly precise, consistent, and factual. In Step 5, we are equipping superpowers, which are the tools. Tools are how an agent interacts with the outside world. We give our agent the DuckDuckGo Search Results tool, allowing it to pull the top 5 links for any query. This is stored in a tools list, which you can later expand. Step 6 is the prompt, teaching the AI how to think. We are giving the AI a strict behavioral format, forcing it to write down its internal logic before it acts. This uses the thought/action/observation sequence and the agent's working memory. Step 7 is assembly, wiring it all together. Create_react_agent merges our brain tools and instructions. Agent executor is the engine that actually runs the loop. Critical settings include setting verbose to true to see the AI's internal monologue, and max_iterations to prevent infinite loops. Step 8 is execution, unleashing the agent. We use the invoke method to pass our raw query to the agent. A standard chatbot would struggle with this complex query that requires identifying trends and summarizing them. Hit enter in your terminal and watch it run. Because we set verbose equals true, we can observe the internal monologue and watch the agent actually think. The reasoning chain involves analyzing the question, deciding to trigger a search tool, reading the raw data, and then reflecting on how to formulate the final answer. This step-by-step reasoning makes agents more capable than chatbots. To level up, we can add a second tool, the Python REPL tool for code execution. Your agent can now search the web for raw data and autonomously write Python code to analyze it, returning mathematical insights or charts. It researches and codes simultaneously. Here are 3 mistakes beginners make. First, no iteration limit. Forgetting max_iterations can lead to endless loops and wasted API credits. Second, tool overload. Start with 1 or 2 tools per agent. Third, vague prompts. Be specific with your goals for the agent. The future is autonomous. You now know the exact pattern to build production-ready AI. Just swap the prompt and the tools to build agents like email research, market research, content creation, or debug agents. Soon, agents will handle week-long autonomous projects. Next up is building a multi-agent team.